In this training demonstration, we're going to use MetaStock's cross and moving average formula function to create a custom exploration that will identify when a 50-period exponential moving average has crossed a 200-period exponential moving average. We start in the Power Console in the Explorer section. We're going to select New. Let's give the new exploration a name. We're going to call it the 50/200 moving average crossover. To activate the Functions button, let's click into Filter and into the Formula box. And let's go into Functions. We're going to go to the Analysis Tools section. We're going to select Cross. The cross formula function allows you to identify when one data array has crossed a second data array. For this example, our first data array will be the 50-period exponential moving average. The second data array will be the 200-period exponential moving average. To insert the cross formula function, select OK. We're going to return back to Functions to select the moving average formula function. The moving average formula function is in the Indicators section, so in Function category, select Indicators, and in the Paste Function section, let's go down to Moving Average. In the Format section, you'll see that the moving average formula function requires a data array, which is your open, high, low, close, or volume, periods, and in this case that would be your 50 period or your 200 period, and then your type of moving average. For example, your exponential, simple. So we're going to insert the moving average formula function by selecting OK. So we're going to, in our first section for the moving average formula function, requires the data array. And we're going to type in C for close. The next section is the time periods. And we're going to select 50 because we're looking for the 50 to cross the 200. The next section is the type of moving average. For this example, we're going to do exponential moving averages, so we're just going to type in an E for exponential. We're going to go back to Functions, back to Indicators, and we're going to do our second moving average, which is the 200-period moving average. So highlight Moving Average, select OK, and we're just going to repeat the same thing that we did before. C for close. But this time, for the time periods, we're going to do 200. And again, we're going to do an exponential moving average. And we want to go through and remove all of the extra spaces. Because we have the formula in the filter, what it's going to do is it's going to go through our list of instruments and produce only those whose 50-period moving average has crossed the 200-period moving average, and filter out those instruments that have not. So to create our custom exploration, select OK. Our custom exploration will be listed at the top. Let's run our custom exploration. We're going to run it on the S&P 500. Make sure that all of the instruments are selected. Next, we'll scan the last 1,000 records on a daily interval. And we want to make sure that we're using the filter since that's where our custom formula is at. Select Start Exploration. Let's view the reports. Under Results, we have two instruments whose 50-period exponential moving average has crossed their 200-period exponential moving average. Let's open the charts and plot the moving averages. From the Indicator Quick List, we're going to select Moving Average, and we're going to plot them on the charts. Time periods 50, method, exponential, price field to close. We're going to change the time periods to 200, and let's change the color so it's easy to identify. And we'll do the same for Tesoro. And the indicators give visual confirmation of the scan where the moving averages have crossed. Thank you for joining us today, and happy trading.